This house might have some of the best views in Catalina Foothills for the price point. Today we're taking you on another exclusive tour of a house. This one is just under 2,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, tri-level house, which is very popular and a little bit hard to find. So come along, I think you're gonna enjoy it. I'm Angie Kuzma with the Stratton Real Estate Group. We have helped over 3,000 families just like you buy and sell houses in Tucson, Arizona. We would love to help you out. All of our contact information is below. Now let's go see the house. As soon as you come in the double doors into the entry, it's nice because there's a little space over here for a bench. The owners did a great job just leaving the classic, authentic Saltillo tile for people that like that. And a lot of the walls you see these days in most houses are just solid white, like a blank canvas. And these owners did a wonderful job picking out some color to tie in the floors. It has just a little perfect touch of a Southwestern flair. The living room is nice and big. This one doesn't have a TV or anything in it. It's just more for the classic formal living room. But of course, there's a nice big wall if you wanted to add a TV. As we go around the corner, here's the formal dining room. So you have good views over there, and it's open to the kitchen, which is nice and easy, convenient. Come into the kitchen. It definitely could have a little updating if you wanted a more modern kitchen, or some people might like to just hold on to the charm. Definitely my favorite part of the kitchen though is these views. As you're doing dishes, you can see the beautiful Catalina Mountains. That view is hard to beat. I also love with this kitchen that it's open to the eat-in dining area as well as the downstairs family room. So you can be in the kitchen and still be part of the conversations and all the family or gathering fun. Since it is a tri-level, there's about 4 steps here that come down into more of the family room area. It does have a fireplace, which is great, and then a little wet bar. And as you come this way, there's a separate guest room down here. So if you have a guest, it's really nice because there's also a bathroom across the way. So a lot of privacy. If you have a guest, they can just have this whole section of the house to themselves. Now we're gonna move upstairs to the 3rd level where the bedrooms are. So at the top of the stairs here, there's a nice amount of storage cabinets. And the master suite has a double door entry, nice big room. And then the best part of the master is this balcony. Come check out these views off the balcony. So when I come out here, I can picture morning coffee over here, nice and big, plenty of room for a table. Could even be a little seating area. The views are amazing. The saguaro cactus back here can't be beat. You hear the birds chirping. So morning coffee, evening glass of wine, just to enjoy the best views of Tucson. As you come into the master bathroom, you have more Saltillo tile, a nice big soaking tub, beautiful views again, even from the tub of the mountains, and then a stand-in shower. As you pass the staircase to get to the other bedrooms, notice how nice and wide it is. It just feels nice and open. And then on this side, you'll have both of the extra bedrooms. And right here next to the bedrooms, we have the 3rd bathroom that has a tub and a shower. Off the lower family room, you're gonna find my favorite part of this house, definitely the big selling feature. Check out these views. Absolutely love that saguaro too. Those are hard to find. All the flower pots stay. There's beautiful color back here. And there's real grass, which is very hard to find in Tucson. If people have grass around here, most of the time it's turf. So this is nice, real grass with a sprinkler system to keep it green. You'll notice how large this lot is. It's kind of in the corner of the neighborhood. So you get the expansive backyard, by far the biggest one in the neighborhood. So we have the grass over there. There's more open area on that side. Seating area, plenty of room for a nice big table, maybe a fire pit back there. You'll also notice the nice big patio. It's got a fan, room for a TV, the barbecue's over here, nice open seating area. They have a lot of furniture over here. You can see how big it is for family gatherings. Plenty of room for barbecues or watching sports. Just a great place to hang out for your Tucson evenings. One of the first things I noticed when I came to the home was the extra vegetation. So a lot of times in Tucson, a lot of the yards, you just get a lot of brown desert, and this one has a lot of green, beautiful vegetation. So you get all of this in the Catalina Foothills for only $550,000, which is really hard to find when it comes to views like this. So if you're interested in buying or selling or relocating to Tucson, reach out to us. All of our contact information is in the description below. I would love to help you out. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We do drop one every single week, and we'll see you at the next video.